Well, hello, Green Meadows and families and friends, community members. We're coming to you today from a little bit of a different set here in our Green Meadows studio. I'm also joined here by three of our fifth graders. I have Mia.
Hi.
I've got Jackson.
Hi.
And last but not least, we have Celeste.
Hi.
And they have been my TAAG students this year after school, really participating and helping us get our videos out this year, and also coming up with some creative ideas and helping to record those creative ideas. We're excited to share those with you. So I'm going to ask these guys to talk a little bit about what they've done during TAAG and how they've enjoyed the process and think that they've learned some new things. So who would like to start today?
Me.
All right, Mia, go ahead and talk to us.
I like that it's fun to learn more about the setup and how to work the camera, and it's fun experience because it just makes us get like more shyness out of us, and I really like it.
Yeah, Mia was quite shy when we first started recording our TAAG videos, but she is a star in front of the camera now. Jackson, could you tell us a little bit about what TAAG's done for you?
When I first got here, I didn't know how to work the camera, and sometimes I wouldn't add any expression to when I read, and I think I've improved a lot on that and adding more expression to when I talk.
Yeah, very cool. Yeah. You focus a lot on making sure you get the words right, and adding in that expression when we talk really gets our message across, and he's been practicing that recently and has done a much better job. Yeah, thanks, Jackson. Celeste, do you have anything to add to us? What have you learned during TAAG?
I mean, like, reading, like, in front of the camera is, like, kind of, like, scary at first, but then, like, once you get the hang of it, it's, like, whatever, you know?
Yeah, it's just another day, right?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, Mr. Miller wrote a new script for us we've got to read today. No, not a big deal. We'll just hang out and do it, and we're done in 15 minutes, right?
Basically.
Yeah, so I actually sprung this on them today. They had no idea we were going to record in front of this, and they just sat down at the mics and were like, okay, let's go. So I want to, before we're done, really thank the Frankfurt Education Foundation. They actually provided all of this equipment we're using right now through a grant that myself and Mr. Catron applied for in the fall, and it has been a busy year. We are just now getting to the point where we can use it, although it's been set up for a while. We've just been too busy, but we wanted to make sure that we got something out to our audience before the end of the year so they could see, hey, there's some cool things coming out of Green Meadows, right?
Yep.
So today we're here to introduce a new video to you guys. Can you tell us a little bit about our video and what we've got coming up?
We have some soothing sounds of the school to end off this year.
Soothing sounds of the school. Okay. Celeste, why are we recording soothing sounds of the school? Who brought this idea to the table, do you think?
You.
Me?
Yeah?
No, that was you, Celeste.
Oh,
Yeah, it was you.
Oh, wait, yeah, that was me.
Yeah.
When you wanted to do
I
virtual
forgot because
ASMR.
you wrote all the things down, and it's like, whoa, like, I don't even remember because, like, of how many things we've done and, like, wrote.
Yeah, the first time we set up this equipment, we did a little test podcast here, and what were all of you guys doing on the mics?
ASMR.
Yeah, they're whispering on the mics and talking about ASMR videos, and they asked if they could do an ASMR video, and I was like, well,
I did.
maybe not ASMR exactly, but I think if we came up with the sounds of Green Meadows, that would be something that we could do and share with our audience.
Yeah.
And so we came up with a huge list of like
40?
50 things that we could record. Now, we didn't record all of those things, but I think we got about 20 of them somewhere in there. And they are all sounds that take place here at Green Meadows some point during the day, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So before we show the video to you, I want you guys to tell me what was the hardest part about recording this video and what was the favorite sound that we recorded that you remember?
Okay. The hardest part was like making sure you got the shot right because sometimes the mic would get in the shot and we had to restart like every single time. And
Yeah, it's hard to use a boom mic, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And probably my favorite sound was the typing on the keyboard.
Okay. How about Celeste?
Like, over there or like right here?
What was the hardest part of recording the sounds for the ASMR video?
Making sure the microphone didn't get in the way and making sure the microphone was off because you forgot to do it one
one
time.
day we did forget to turn the microphone on. It didn't record any sounds, right? We had to re-record
Yeah.
all of those. So what was the favorite sound that we recorded for you?
Probably also typing on the keyboard, like Mia said.
Really? You like that one a lot,
Yeah.
huh? All right. Last but not least, Jackson, what was the hardest part for you for recording the sounds of Green Meadows, and what was your favorite sound that we recorded?
My hardest thing that I had to do was holding the microphone because it was kind of heavy. So it would kind of drop whenever we record it, and it kept getting in the camera.
Okay.
And my favorite sound of all of the ones you'll be seeing is probably the light switch.
Oh, the light switch. It is pretty epic.
That one was interesting too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, thank you guys for taking the time to be in my TAAG group. I hope you learned some things this year. We're looking forward to the comments that everybody says about this Sounds of Green Meadows video, and I know you guys were super pumped to record it. So we want to thank all of you guys for watching all of the videos that they've helped us with this year. Did you know that we've done over 30 episodes of Zooming In on Green Meadows this year?
Wow.
That's
Isn't that
a
crazy?
lot.
It only felt like 10.
Thank you guys.
Yeah, so don't forget to tell your friends and family about all of our videos. Make sure you subscribe, like them, like all of these guys. And with that being said, we're going to send you over to our Sounds of Green Meadows videos. We hope you enjoy it.
Bye.